皆さんこんにちは。私の名前はIchiyoと言います。日本語の先生でIchiyo's Japanese オンラインレッスンの代表をしています。
We'll teach you a useful Japanese vocabulary in this video. Please try to create Japanese sentences using today's vocabulary and pronounce it. If you are our daily Japanese mail support member, we'll check and correct them to get the correct Japanese skills.
それでは今日の動画スタートです。カナブン
It means drone beetle.
カナブンカナブンカナブン
Please show us your Japanese before you start using it incorrectly. We'll analyze and correct your Japanese daily.
カナブンが飛んで逃げた。
It means the beetle flew away.
カナブンが飛んで逃げた。カナブンが飛んで逃げた。カナブンが飛んで逃げた。カナブンが飛んで逃げました。
This is the polite form.
カナブンが飛んで逃げました。カナブンが飛んで逃げました。動画のご視聴ありがとうございました。
Judging from our experience, Japanese learners who use and speak natural Japanese are rare even though they have lived in Japan for many years. Japanese language is very complicated. Ichiyo has experience at some language schools. Even though the students use wrong Japanese, the teachers often skip correcting them to finish the class on time. To have correct Japanese skills, learners need a teacher who checks and corrects their Japanese every time.
それで私はIchiyo's Japanese オンラインレッスンを作りました。
We offer two types of services to non-native Japanese learners. Please show us your Japanese before you start using it incorrectly. If you are interested in our lessons and services, please check out our website. The link is in the description of this video.
それではまた次の動画でお会いしましょう。さようなら。